Transform your backyard into an entertainer's paradise by building your own barbecue base using Australian Builders mortar mix. Before making a start, measure out where the blocks are being laid. Now to mix the mortar. Begin by emptying the mortar into the wheelbarrow. Add 3.3 litres of water and the bonding agent and mix well. Mix with a shovel or hoe using the turn and cut method. Once you have a good mix, it's ready to use. For the first layer, add a generous amount of mortar and lay the blocks on top, making sure the blocks are level. Repeat the process with remaining blocks, using a bricky trowel to spread the mortar. Check the level after each layer. You now have the surround for your barbecue. Now the surround is complete, add a layer of Australian Builders mortar for a smooth finish. Mix mortar accordingly. Wet the surround before applying for optimum adhesion. To apply, use a steel trowel, working it bottom to top, left to right. Before it is fully dry, wet the render with a sponge or float for a smooth surface. To finish the barbecue base, measure the area where the timber bench top will go. Once the timber is cut to length, drill holes into the timber where it will be screwed into the barbecue base. Attach the bench to the base with standard decking screws. Now you have the perfect base to place the most important feature, the barbecue. Just in time for summer and perfect for any backyard.